Here's how to easily root LDPlayer 9 on Windows 10 or 11. Open LDPlayer 9 and look for the gear icon, usually located on the right sidebar or the top bar of the emulator window. Click it to open the settings window. On the left side of this window, click the section labeled Other. This is where LDPlayer places additional options not tied to display, performance, or audio. Find the option called Root Permission and toggle the switch on next to it. This grants the Android environment inside LDPlayer elevated permissions that certain apps and tools may require for advanced features. Keep in mind, some apps designed to run only on non-rooted devices may show warnings once root is enabled. This is normal behavior and not a sign of a problem. To finalize the change, close LDPlayer completely and reopen it from your desktop or Start menu, since the root setting only applies fully at launch. Once it reopens, root permission will be active. You can return to the other section anytime to confirm it remains enabled or to toggle it back off if you no longer need it. Note that this setting only affects the Android environment inside the emulator and does not change anything on your actual Windows system. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.